This is a remake of a past video that had very low views, and it has been modified. Installing the last of my studs. I'm looking for another old lug nut to use because they get pretty beat up pulling these studs back through. Found one, and I'm getting ready to put the impact on it and pull that last stud on through. And it looked like it's in and seated, and going to give it a couple more hits. The washer nut that I use to pull these back through did leave some marks on the face of the hub, but I don't think that will cause any problems. Check them before. Anyway, that was my Jeep. Got my studs in. Now I'll probably go ahead and work on my rear brake, rotor, and caliper. Out for now. And doing a little bit of cleaning with brake cleaner right now, cleaning up that hub after the stud installation. Most of the marks came off. There's a few permanent ones on there, but I don't think it caused any problems. My rotor, calipers, pads, and get those adjusted. And good morning. This is my Jeep update. And it is now Monday, July 5th, 2021. And today I'm going to be installing my right rear rotor, caliper, and brake pads. Got my studs in. I showed you that in the last update. And goes on from there. Any progress, I will make another update. This is my Jeep out. And it is a mess in this garage. And that's the new brakes I'll be installing on the passenger side. And the picture shows some of the progress I've made installing the studs on the passenger side, the brakes on the driver's side. And this is my Jeep, still July 5th, Monday, 2021. This was a long clip, so I speeded it up to get it out of the way. As you can see, I got my rotor on there. Got the studs done earlier this morning. It's about 1 in the afternoon. And I'm working on assembling the caliper right now, greasing up some of the metal parts and where the pads slide inside the calipers. And as you can see, I was having a tough time getting the pad with the clip, getting it inserted into the cylinder. Didn't have near this trouble on the driver's side. I ended up tapping it in with my mallet there. I finally got it done. And I just about have the caliper done, ready to put on. I installed it and put one bolt in, but did not tighten down. I'm gonna leave it like this and finish it out tomorrow. I'm gonna wrap this video up, get it on out. It's getting too long.